Okay, so what do I do if I want to switch and now look for a different client instead of this particular one that I've been working with? I'm just going to click on the X in the upper right-hand corner. Then I would go to Navigator again and put the new client information in this slot. Okay. Now, if you've completed looking at charts for the day or for the time period, let's say you want to take a lunch break, so you're going to be away from Profiler for a while, you can log out of the system by clicking the X in the upper right-hand corner of any chart that you happen to be looking at. And then from this main rectangle where it says NCSB production, pick me, and then whatever auditor provider account that you're using, you go to this globe in the upper left-hand corner, you select it, and then you click Exit Profiler. It will say shutting down or saving your settings, and then you'll see that window go away. And then you just click Start at the very bottom left and log off, and you'll be logged out of the system. Okay, thank you. Please reach out if you have any questions.